So next, let's talk about how to customize our website using the theme. Now over here, we have this edit theme button. Let's click on edit theme, and this will turn on the customizer. Okay, so this is the interface for Shopify, and this is where we can build our store. Now, before we jump into the editor, let's just explore some of these options. Now here at the top, this is where you can navigate to different parts of your websites, like different pages, and also the cart and checkout. We're gonna customize our product and collection page a little bit later. On the right side up here, you'll see that you can adjust this for mobile and also see what it looks like in a full screen preview. So if you want to adjust the size of the screen and see what it looks like for different devices, you can adjust that. They also have this new thing called Sidekick. Now this is an AI tool, and we're gonna come back to this a little bit later. I personally wouldn't recommend it to build your store. It doesn't really do a good job, but it is helpful if you wanna make products and categories. So I'm gonna close this. On the left side, you'll see you have elements. So here we have our header, and then you can see elements within the header. If I click on announcement bar, I can now customize this specific element. And every single module with Shopify has their own styling options. For example, here you'll see I can make this full width or page size. We can adjust the thickness, padding, and a few other options. Now, when I click on another element, you're going to see that I have different options for each specific element. Now here I can actually collapse these to hide everything else. Now what's also really cool is I can actually rename these. So if I click on this and click on the three dots and click on rename, I can just rename this to menu, right? Because this is actually our menu. I don't know why it's called a header. So I'm going to enter in menu, click away, and then if I click on back, you'll now see it changes to menu, and that makes a lot more sense. So this is our header section, and below that we have our hero section, which is our main hero image on our website. And then below that we have the footer section down here, and when I hover over it, the screen will actually bring us to that specific section. So let's scroll up here and let's adjust our homepage. Now I've already created another Shopify store over here, and I'm using the same exact theme. So here we have our logo, we have a split screen effect, and then here we have some text, we have our collections, which are essentially your product categories. Below that, we just have some more upsells regarding our products. And below that, we have our products right here in a really nice, clean format. And we've also integrated this quick add where I can just quickly add it and then it's added to the cart. So I'm gonna walk you through how to create something like this in this video. So I'm gonna walk you through how to create a very optimized Shopify store in this video. Now, the first thing that we're gonna do is upload an image. Now, I have demo images for all of you. You can access those images in the video description. So right here for media one, I'll click on select. And then here I have images in my media library. Now, in order to upload your own images, you'll click on add files. And here you'll see that I have this Shopify folder where I've included all these images. So if you click on one image and you hold shift and you press down, you can actually go ahead and upload all of these to your Shopify store. And you can use these images to follow along in this tutorial. So I do recommend to upload them. So once you upload them, you'll see that you have them available right here.